Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your trading strategies with TradeStation, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your trading strategies with TradeStation, start by logging into your TradeStation account. Navigate to the easy language development environment. Create a new strategy by selecting File and then New. Choose Strategy from the option menu. Begin coding your trading strategy in the easy language editor. Make sure to save your strategy frequently to prevent data loss. Once your strategy is finalized, click on File and select Save. Next, access the Strategy Properties window. Here, you can set permissions for who can view or edit your strategy. Consider using the password protection feature to add an extra layer of security. Enter a strong password and confirm it to ensure confidentiality. Once your strategy is password protected, proceed to the View tab. Select Format and then Strategy to fine-tune your settings. Configure the privacy settings to restrict access further. If you're working in a team, invite members to collaborate with specific permissions. Review TradeStation's documentation for best practices on strategy protection. Consider using version control to track changes to your strategy over time. Regularly back up your trading strategies to an external drive or cloud storage. Stay updated on TradeStation's platform for any new security features. After completing these steps, your trading strategies will be better protected. Monitor your strategies regularly to ensure they remain secure. By following these steps, you can safeguard your valuable trading strategies effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.